Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ezekiel Akingbola. Today I'll be taking you through the next process when it comes to business registration. In the first two videos, I've been able to show you the different stage or the different steps involved in business registration, and in the last video I was able to show you how to make reservation for your business. And in this process I was able to let you do it using your phone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your system to do your business name reservation as well. And after this video, I believe you would have been able to register. If you have any issue, put your comments and let me know so that I can attend to them. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that right away. Thank you. Without further ado, let's move into the video. Thank you. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Like I said, I'm Ezekiel Akingbola. Today we're going to be looking at, like I told you before now, we're going to be looking at how to make reservation. In my previous video, I was able to show you how to make reservation using your phone. Today I'm going to be taking it a step further by looking at how to make reservation using the system. Now it might be a little bit easier for some people, but some people didn't really get it in the last video. So today we are going to be taking it through a step further. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is just a new channel and I'm trying to build the audience. So please make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you really like the content. All right, let's go into today's training. All right, where you are going to, you'll be going through to have access to the CAC portal is service.cac.gov.ng, service.cac.gov.ng. all right, /login. Now normally if that was all you click, this is where you'll be landing on. Do you get that? This is where you'll be landing on. So you want to log in, you would have showed you how to create an account or to register an account. Once you register an account, then you'll be able to, once you create the account, then you can come here and log in. All right, so I have an account here of one of my clients. All right, let me change it. Let me use a very old account. Okay, let's use this. Now with this account, now this I have an already registered business. Now the first thing you do is to reserve a business name. Remember, we're looking at business name and I showed you how to do that. So once you click on reservation, the next thing you select here, you make sure you select the business name. If you are registering a company, we have made different kind of companies limited by, okay, let me show you the different companies. We have private company limited by shares, we have public company limited by shares, we have private company limited by guarantee, public company limited by guarantee, private unlimited company, and public unlimited company. So all these different companies are the different types of company you can register with the Corporate Affairs Commission. I believe we got that. So that's what we're looking at today. We're looking at a business name registration. Now most of my customers, when they most of my clients rather, when they meet me, what we discuss first is to decide if they will be registering a business name or a company registration, and I've incorporated anyway, and I've shown more light on that in this video here. That's what I treated in this video. So please, if you have not watched this video, please come back here. I'll drop a link in the video below. All right, now the next thing we're going to do, since we are going for business name registration, so no need to select anything. So you decide two options for your business. So let's say your business is Tire Enterprise. Okay, so if I'm okay with Tire Enterprise, all right, and you have another option as well, maybe you want to say TomTom Ventures for the second option, the next thing you do is click save and continue. So once you do that, then the next step is to check for the objective of your business. What is the objective of your business? Now the first one there is, now are you registering a new incorporation? Has your business been in existence before? If yes, or if no rather, you click the new incorporation. Do you understand? You want to incorporate it newly. But if not, maybe you have a previous name you're using and you want to change the name to change that particular name to this name. So you click change of name. So you have a business before, you just want to change the name, or you registered a business before and you want to change the name, so you can do that. Also, conversion is also moving a business. Probably you are moving from a business name to a company registration. That's when you use conversion. Also, subsidiary and affiliate. Maybe you know what affiliate means. A company operating under another company. Maybe I'm helping to sell products from a company, I want to register as an affiliate, so you can do that here. So you have to provide the details, the RC number and all, but what we are looking at is a new incorporation. So once you click on the new incorporation, then you come here to select the nature of business. What kind of business are you doing? There are hundreds of nature of business here, so you'll be very wise to go through that. You might not find something very related to your business, like maybe the exact thing you want to be doing. Some of you might be selling shoes, and maybe you are into selling of kerosene, for instance. You see, so you can't see the option here. So what you do is that you select something that is very close to you, to what you do. This one is manufacture of wood and product, so just be very careful to select what is close. Now, once you have done something you are majoring on here, you find something you are majoring on here, then the other ones you do, you can now select them here. Okay, I sell shoes, selling of shoes, or let's just say boutique. You get, so boutique is a more broader niche, you understand, or word that we can use for that. So boutique, whatever it is, just keep typing it, guys, keep typing it. So once you are done with that, you click on save and continue. All right, I hope you're getting it. All right, now, so the next step is your presenter details. Now, what you do here, you make sure that all your details here are correct. Your name, your date of birth, your nationality, your country, your state, your city, whatever it is here, you make sure it is all correct. So if it's correct, then you're good to go. Then you come here and fill in your ID. There are different kind of means of identification you can use to carry out your state registration. You can use an international passport, national ID card, driver's license, age declaration, birth certificate, permanent voter's card as well. Do you get that? So you can use any of these for your different registration. So if I'm using international passport, that's the passport, the number there. So I pick any the means of identification I have, and I insert the password. Let's say that's just the number there. Then I click on save and continue. All right, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure that my details are correct. Name option 1 is correct, option 2 is correct. Make sure that the spelling is correct. If the spelling is not correct, you might have to make another reservation, because it will dent your business. It will not really portray what you are trying to you understand. So there was a registration I made once at a time. I didn't spell errand correctly. I used one R, so it gave me a lot of issue. I had to register the business. So please do that. Go through the nature of business, make sure every information is correct, then you click on proceed to payment once you have verified all the information there. So once you do that, the next thing you're going to do is to click on remitter. You're going to make payment through remitter. So once you make payment through remitter, then you can proceed. I believe everyone should be able to go through this on their own, so I won't continue from here. So you click on submit and you proceed to make payment with either your USSD, or you use whatever you use. So okay, I'll stop the video somewhere. I'll just pause the video here to show you something. So once you have make your reservation, this is how it's going to look like. Once you have made your payment, the first thing you're going to see is pending approval. So make sure there's a pending approval option. Once you make payment, there will be a pending approval option. So if your reservation is denied, you're going to see denied. Do you understand? If it's denied, you're going to see denied. That means you have to make another reservation, or that means that business name is already existing or something, or it's not accepted. So, and if it's approved, you're going to see approved, and you'll be able to continue. So next time we're going to be meeting, I'll be showing you how to carry out the registration of that company, once your name is being reserved. So I want you to go and practice how to reserve your name. Once you reserve your name, then we can proceed together to the next class. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you watch all the videos in the channel. it's going to be a nice one. Thank you. God bless you.